Operations depends on people, process, and technology. There are specialists in process, there are specialists in people,
Yeah.
and there are specialists in IT.
Huh.
And nobody actually is able to see what's happening beyond their silo. That is actually the reason why 3 out of 4 transformations fail. Process defines what you do. Risk defines how you try and do it right.
Sure.
Operations defines when and where do you do it. Finance decides how much it will cost.
बिल्कुल.
IT is what are the tools and technologies I will need to do it. And teams are the people who actually do it.
Good morning, everybody. This is Ashutosh here, and welcome to Designing Tomorrow with Ashutosh. The crux of a lot of businesses is supposed to be execution. And there's a brutal truth that most people don't know. It's that more than 3 out of 4 transformation projects in big companies, in startups, in governments, they fail, right? And the reason is shockingly simple. Most companies, from startups to Fortune 500 giants, are operating on models that are built for stability, not for catching up to the vagaries of the real world. And so today, we have a person with us who is uniquely positioned to offer his insight on why, despite all the talent and despite all the capital in the world, do these big companies or governments they still fail to do things that they really want to, even if the intent is right? What is the crucial missing factor that basically causes this huge inefficiency and sort of carrying over of operational expense throughout a company's life cycle? Very glad to have Mr. Shamik Gupta in conversation with us. He is the CEO and founder of InSource and the chief architect of 3Cubed. He has a lot of experience in different industries, from managing Fortune 500 companies' operations to banking, is now running a sort of a startup in a product space as a SaaS. So, welcome, sir. Welcome to the SaaS world. First of all, let me say that to you. I'm really curious about your journey so far. Why this transformation? Why this? Why this movement between industries? What caused this?
Ashutosh, firstly, thank you so much for having me on this podcast. Delighted to speak to you. Uh, I found you very easy to talk to when we were conversing for a few minutes before the actual session started. So I'll tell you some things, right?
Yeah.
I started my career as a foreign exchange dealer, okay, which is literally the fastest feedback loop in the world.
Yeah.
Right? Something moves, you know whether you made money or you lost money.
Exactly.
Then I said, yeah, bahut ho gaya. Now let me think beyond mine and yours. So I moved to become an investment banker. So I actually wound up at that point of time taking a lot of the IT and technology companies to the international and Indian markets, right? NYSE, of course, BSC, NSE. And there the cycles were longer, right? Anywhere from 3 months to 18 months to raise money for them. But again, the gratification was known. And then, of course, that whole thing stuck that the grass is greener on the other side. Why am I taking these companies to market? Why don't I actually join these companies and make the money?
Exactly.
So that's when I actually went and joined
Huh.
Infosys BPO, which was literally, the intersection of technology and operations. And that's when I realized that unlike my past life, in operations, everything is actually very opaque, not transparent. And there are reasons for that. You see, one of the things that I learned very early in my operations career was that operations depends on people, process, and technology.
Yes.
So work actually flows between these entities. Now, think about it. There are specialists in process, there are specialists in people,
Yeah.
and there are specialists in IT.
Huh.
And nobody actually is able to see what's happening beyond their silo.
So that's why, despite all of this, it is still so opaque, like the
That
ops
is,
process of every big company.
I will tell you a little bit later in the podcast how we actually went beyond that people process technology
Acha.
and created our own acronym. But yes, that is actually the reason why 3 out of 4 transformations fail. I'm not
Hmm.
saying this, Ashutosh.
Yeah.
McKinsey has been saying this since the early 2000s. Remember, since then, the world has tried to do lean. The
Yeah.
world has tried to do talent
Yeah.
management. The
Hmm.
world has tried to do big data. The world has tried to do risk management, RPA.
Yeah.
Today, the world is talking about Gen AI. But that 74% of transformations fail, that number has not gone away.
That's a ridiculously high number. मैं बस ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि 74% of transformations and as a perspective from the perspective of like a large organization, I'm expending मैं इतना capital दे रहा हूँ, मैं इतना मेरे पास man power है and IT है, तब भी ये कैसे हो रहा है? Like that's the thing that boggled my mind when I first read that statistic.
Because not because of intent, as you said, right? People want to change. Think about this, right? The pain is always felt in the front end. My
बिल्कुल.
customers are not happy.
Hmm.
My costs are too high.
Yes.
My regulators are unhappy with me, right?
Hmm.
In the middle is this black box of invisibility. So the front end feels the pain,
हाँ.
but you're actually asking the back end, HR, ops, IT, fix the problem,
Very true. Very
right?
true. हाँ.
And that really is the reason. Lack of visibility, not lack of intent, not lack of talent, not lack of money. It's the lack of visibility that is the problem.
So the structure of the feedback loops and which feedback loop is going where also plays बहुत बड़ा role play करता है, right? इस problem के
Correct.
लिए.
Correct. So that's why we decided to create the world's first, what we call operational truth engine. I can talk to you about the technical part about it being an AI augmented digital twin,
Yeah.
right, etc., etc. But the truth of it is, we built a system that is not another dashboard. It's not another workflow. It's not another method of automation. It is something that understands how work flows across people, process, technology in your system, highlights what the problems are, and therefore helps you to solve for cost, customer experience, and control simultaneously.
अच्छा. तो basically based on all your experience in in managing ops for these big companies and different sectors, right? तो आपने ये सोचा, you basically tried to पिन पॉइंट कि इन स्ट्रक्चर्स में कहाँ कहाँ इश्यूज होते हैं, कौन सी डेटा है जो अगर एग्जीक्यूटिव लेवल को पता हो, अगर उनके सामने आती रहे एक पीरियोडिसिटी में, तो उनको पता रहेगा कि प्रिसाइजली ये वीकेस्ट पॉइंट है मेरे ऑप्स का, प्रिसाइजली मेरे कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस जो अभी ये लैग हो रहा है या कुछ गंदा फीडबैक आ रहा है उसका कोर पॉइंट ये है. लाइक दिस इज द, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ यू फिगर आउट द सिम्टम क्या है कि मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लैब्स में जो कोर सिम्टम है व्हाट दैट इज, हाउ डू यू एक्चुअली डू दैट. हम एआई वाले पार्ट पे आएंगे, बट हाउ डू यू एज अ प्रैक्टिकली अगर आपको मुझे समझाना हो कि आशुतोष एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है, उसके ये पार्ट होते ही होते हैं, राइट? तो उसमें फ्रॉम योर एक्सपीरियंस हाउ डू यू एक्चुअली फिगर आउट कि क्या पिन पॉइंट है, कैसे उसे स्टार्ट करते हैं, समझना एक बार.
बिल्कुल. तो यार एक रियलाइजेशन आया था आशुतोष, राइट? मैंने कॉस्ट, कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस और कंट्रोल की बात की थी.
हाँ.
एक रियलाइजेशन आया था ये प्रॉब्लम स्टडी करते करते, राइट, दैट एवरी कॉस्ट एलिमेंट,
हाँ.
every customer experience,
हाँ.
and every control outcome
हाँ.
is shaped by 6 forces.
अच्छा.
Process defines what you do. Risk defines how you try and do it right.
अच्छा.
Operations defines when and where do you do it. Finance decides how much it will cost.
बिल्कुल.
IT is what are the tools and technologies I will need to do it. And teams are the people who actually do it.
So profit.
PROFIT.
Yeah.
Yes. Only when you are able to look at all the elements of PROFIT
हाँ.
will you actually be able to do transformation. You think about this, right? I can say I will automate.
हाँ.
If you automate without changing your process, you're just automating inefficiency.
I really want you to explain that quote deeper. Matlab, that's a really good insight. Can you just dive deeper into what you just said?
Sure. Let me give you an example.
Huh.
Okay. There was a bank
Huh.
who was onboarding customers.
Hmm.
Very, very good people at the branch. We will give you your loan. They were moving the papers very fast.
Hmm.
But the loans would constantly take 3 to 4 weeks to actually get delivered.
Sure.
Why? Because somewhere in their workflow, three different entities were saying, "Sab KYC भेज दो."
अच्छा.
और किसी को नहीं पता था. Other than those departments,
किसी को पता ही नहीं
right,
था.
जिनके चेकलिस्ट में था कि KYC चाहिए, अच्छा
Hmm.
मांग लो KYC, right?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Right?
हाँ.
So it added almost 2 weeks and a
Hmm.
lot of customer frustration. This didn't come in senior management dashboards, right? When you complained to the front office, they said, "हाँ sir, investigate कर रहे हैं." But they
हाँ.
investigated that case, right? They didn't realize it was a structural issue.
Exactly.
Then they
अच्छा.
said, "Okay, now let us change our core banking system." And
Hmm.
therefore they automated it.
Hmm.
Now there was an automated method of saying, "Boss, I need a KYC."
बट वो
Right?
तीनों
So
तीनों वो तब भी केवाईसी कर रहे
KYC मांग
हैं.
रहे थे,
हाँ हाँ.
right?
I mean, that's a great example. And you know, when you were just listening to that, वो मुझे इलॉन मस्क की कोट याद आ रही है. That really got stuck in my mind. वो बोल रहा था कि the biggest mistake a smart person makes is optimizing something which should not exist.
There you go. Beautifully put.
हाँ, तो मतलब एकदम एग्जैक्टली कि मैंने ऑटोमेशन लगा दी यहाँ पे.
हाँ,
एंड मैं सर्विसेज ऑफर करूँगा कि चलो ठीक है, हम आपके बिजनेस प्रोसेस को ऑटोमेट कर देंगे. बट अगर आपके बिजनेस के स्ट्रक्चरल फ्लॉ है, तो दैट ऑटोमेशन इज नॉट हेल्पिंग एनीथिंग.
brilliant.
या.
Let me just take that one step further, right? I won't go through the whole chain.
हाँ
But समझो हमने प्रोसेस बदल दी,
हाँ
हमने केवाईसी के स्टेप निकाल दिए,
हाँ.
बट हमने कंट्रोल नहीं बदला कि जो एक केवाईसी है वो हर डिपार्टमेंट में होनी चाहिए. तो फिर कंप्लायंस का इशू आ गया,
सही बात है.
right? So my point is that any change that you make in P or R or O or F or I or T, you must be able to see that reflected in the whole system.
And before like sort of technology, yeah, the larger players like these Fortune 500 companies who have so many employees और वहाँ पे इतना chain of command इतना बड़ा होता है, right? How, मतलब before technology ये सब चीजें संभलती कैसे थी?
Actually, ये सब चीजें समझती थी by spreadsheets called last final version underscore 48, absolutely the last one dot xlx, right?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So in my days when I started the company, and at that time we used to call it Arthashastra Economic Consulting,
हाँ.
right? We also used to have what we called the Seven Sisters, which were seven spreadsheets
Okay.
that we would use when we were advising customers,
हाँ
right?
हाँ हाँ.
So there was the process spreadsheet, there was the risk spreadsheet.
Hmm.
And our biggest challenge was standing up and making a final presentation to the board. And the board looking at it and saying, यार वो गलत है, वो हम 2000 नहीं करते, हम 20,000 करते हैं. Right? And then manually saying, अच्छा यार ये कहाँ स्प्रेडशीट में कहाँ 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 कनेक्टेड है. सर रुकिए, मैं 3 महीने के बाद आके आपको आंसर देता हूँ इसका. So you actually needed computing power to be able to do this faster, safer,
Yeah. and
with better results.
But just the fact that we have these tools does not mean they're being deployed correctly. मैं ये AI में सर्विसेज ऑफर करके मैं खुद ही देख रहा हूँ. एंड ये ट्रेट मुझे अपने आप भी रोकना पड़ रहा था कि वो वही है ना कि जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव अ हैमर डज नॉट मीन एवरी प्रॉब्लम इज अ नेल. कि आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से देयर इज अ बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन व्हिच स्पेंट लाइक अ बोट लोड ऑफ मनी बाइंग अ न्यू सिस्टम, बाइंग अ न्यू लाइक एआई पावर्ड सिस्टम. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि अनलेस वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो लीडर है जिसको इम्प्लीमेंट करवाना है, दे नीड टू बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट द फैक्ट कि मेरा इस सिस्टम से आउटकम क्या चाहिए मुझे.
Absolutely. I'll give you
otherwise,
another example on AI, if I may, right?
please.
Okay, so telecom company,
Huh.
right? They actually got AI to do their marketing for them.
Hmm.
Then they got another set of agents to do their customer onboarding.
Okay.
In between, they had a third agent created by their finance department to do the pricing.
Hmm.
Each of those agents was brilliant, Ashutosh.
Acha.
Together, the system collapsed. Okay, because marketing was sending demand when fulfillment capacity was not there.
Oh, yes. So the communication between agents was where the lapse happened, not the actual output of the agents itself, right?
Correct. So my big fear with whether it is Gen AI, whether it is changing people, whether it is changing process, is you will do things faster and Gen AI will speed up a lot, but you'll move into chaos that much quicker. Unless you think of what we call the target operating model.
What is that? Can you dive deeper into that, please?
How do PROFIT
Hmm.
impact my cost, my customer experience, and my control?
Hmm.
That defines what is my operating model.
Can you let's sort of explain what control means here in this context precisely?
Control, good question.
Huh.
Control can mean two or three different things.
Huh.
Okay, it could mean audits,
Okay.
it could mean adherence to policies,
Hmm.
it could mean regulatory risks. But
Hmm.
really, if I make it simple, control or control objectives, as we call them, right? Sorry to use the technical term. Control objectives are, how do I know that what I'm doing is correct,
सही बात है सही बात है Hmm.
right? So you have to define your control objectives,
Hmm.
right?
So basically, these are sort of the barometer metrics or the barometer things which will every action I take in the running the operations of my business, मुझे ये barometer के through क्या मेरा control है जिसके through I can evaluate कि if this action is worthwhile, if it's not, if it meets my criteria, or if it doesn't, right?
Let me give you a couple of examples of control objectives. All invoices I pay should be paid accurately.
बिल्कुल
All orders that I process should meet what the customer has asked for.
बिल्कुल
All loans that I give must be properly approved by credit and by contracts.
true true
These are control objectives.
hmm
You'll apply these control objectives on your process
हाँ
and say, look, does my process support these control objectives? If my process does not, then I need to add controls, special steps, right? या तो मैं reconciliation करूंगा, या मैं maker checker करूंगा,
हाँ
right? या मैं client से confirmation लूंगा.
that makes it very clear. So now that when we're trying to break these things down, it's you have a very interesting आपका vantage point जो है बहुत interesting है, because on one hand you're building your own thing from scratch, right? And on the other hand you have so much experience in working with these well established players and consulting for these well established players. So when you actually got down to building your own thing, तो एक स्टार्टअप में जो आपकी फीडबैक लूप है दैट इज वेरी फास्ट, या एक न्यू बिजनेस में व्हेन यू स्टार्टिंग एवरीथिंग आपकी फीडबैक लूप इज वेरी डिफरेंट देन व्हाट इट इज फ्रॉम अ लार्ज एंटरप्राइज. तो कुछ ऐसे क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन ऑफ आइडियाज या कॉन्सेप्ट्स था ऐसे केस में, समथिंग दैट वर ट्रांसलेटेड वेल बट समथिंग दैट डिड नॉट आल्सो ट्रांसलेट वेल?
Yeah, many things. I would be the first to admit that some things we did were wonderful, but I also believe sometimes when I'm feeling low that if there is a startup mistake to be made, I've made it. Okay.
I have yet to meet a good founder who does not say this sentence. हाँ
यार वो बचपन में सिखाया गया था, जब तक गिरोगे नहीं फुटबॉल
हाँ
खेलनी नहीं आएगी.
सही बात है
राइट.
सही
तो
बात है
गिरो,
हाँ
गलतियां करो, वो गलती फिर दोहराना मत, दूसरी गलती कर दो, डोंट मेक द सेम मिस्टेक, राइट? but
तो आप एक बात बताइए, जब हम गलतियों की ही बात कर रहे हैं,
हाँ
तो
जी।
आपका अगर एक्सपीरियंस मल्टीपल डेकेड को स्पैन करता है, क्या ऐसा कुछ पैटर्न आपने देखा है कि उस टाइम पे लोग ज़्यादा रिस्क अवर्स थे तो इस टाइप की गलतियाँ ज़्यादा करते थे, और इस टाइम पे मे बी फोमो ज़्यादा है तो इस टाइप की गलतियाँ ज़्यादा होता है, या कोई और ऐसे आपने पैटर्न देखा है कोई?
I've seen that pendulum, राइट?
हम्म।
जब गलती हो गई तो यू रिट्रीट, फिर आप रुकते हो, सोचते हो, फिर आप बोलते हो नहीं यार, मेरे को फंडिंग चाहिए, मेरे को पैसे चाहिए, मेरे को मैट्रिक्स चाहिए, चलो मार्केट में जाओ, फिर से वही गलती हो जाती है, then again you retreat. So it's all a question of taking the mistake, understanding what is the root cause behind, thinking about your own PROFIT,
हम्म।
and then going with speed back with the correction. I'll give you two examples if I may. Right? So when we created the product, one of the things we thought about is, look, we are in India. We are the global hub of BPOs, of global shared services entities, of large corporations. We have just been through 2 years, right, of big data, big data, big data being discussed. यार लोगों के पास डेटा होगा ये ट्विन बनाने के लिए, ये मॉडल बनाने के लिए. Then we very quickly realized that a lot of enterprises don't have the data lakes. 30% of our business was coming from operations that were new.
हम्म।
तो where they are new, डेटा लेक्स छोड़ो, डेटा भी नहीं होता है, डेटा
बिल्कुल।
पटल भी नहीं होता है,
सही
right?
बात है।
So then you had to go back and think very quickly, look, then how do I build these algorithms
हम्म।
that will see the connections between PROFIT? So we spent 3 months.
हम्म।
We looked at our algorithms and we said, but these can't be machine learning algorithms because they need a lot of data.
एग्जैक्टली, द वेरी डेटा हंग्री।
So we actually went back, we worked with academia, right?
ओके।
We worked internally, and
हम्म।
we actually came up with mathematical algorithms
हम्म।
that did not require data but required a mix of heuristics, logic, and experience.
That's actually a very fascinating insight. Very fascinating indeed. Because ये जो जितने भी एआई मॉडल्स और करेंटली हम वो कर रहे हैं, दे आर रिडिकुलसली सैम्पल इनएफिशिएंट। अगर हम उसे ह्यूमन ब्रेन से कंपेयर करें, तो जितने डेटा, फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपको मुझे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सिखानी है, एंड तो देन यू जस्ट नीड टू रीड वन बुक, मैक्सिमम टू टेक्स्ट बुक्स, एंड यू विल नॉट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, राइट? एक मॉडल को मुझे आपके ही लेवल की ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सिखानी है, तो दे नीड टू रीड 10,000 टेक्स्ट बुक्स एंड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री।
Yeah.
तब जाके उनका पैटर्न रिकग्निशन का वो सिस्टम बनता है, जो कि उतना रिलायबल हो जाता है कि आपके लेवल का कर पाए। अभी भी उतना श्योरिटी नहीं होती, बट वो जो डेटा की बात आपने करी है, दैट्स वेरी फैसिनेटिंग। बिकॉज मेरा भी यही थॉट प्रोसेस था कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स जस्ट से कि हम गवर्नमेंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को ही ले लेते हैं, लाइक तो अगर बिकॉज आई वर्क विद अ क्लाइंट जिन्होंने वो जो चाहते थे कि एक लीगल सिस्टम बनाए हम, विच हैज रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ ऑल द लीगल केसेस बैक टू 1950, एंड तो वी वर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड लाइक एक OCR इंजन जो कि स्कैन करके जितने भी लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट है, आधे डॉक्यूमेंट तो फटे हुए हैं, वो
बिल्कुल.
लोहे की अलमारी में रखे हैं जिनको आधा चूहों ने कुतर रखा है, उनकी
बिल्कुल.
स्कैनिंग नहीं हो सकती। उसमें मान लीजिए आपका डिफेंडेंट का नाम लिखा है, वो कटा हुआ है पेंसिल से, उसके ऊपर गलत सही नाम लिखा है। तो जब डेटा, तब इकट्ठा, पहले तुम्हें डेटा इकट्ठा करने का मैकेनिज्म बनाना पड़ेगा, तभी तो उस पर ट्रेन करोगे मॉडल्स को।
बिल्कुल.
एंड सो हाउ, आपको इसका कितना प्रेवलेंस लगा कि आपको बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का तो एक कंप्लीटली नई चीज होगी कि भाई ये भी करना होता है क्या?
I was lucky, Ashutosh, right? I guess because of my age and my background, I had a fabulous network and I had a fabulous team, right? So we've actually inculcated, incorporated a wide variety of expertise that
Hmm.
we can tap. I had to go to different people to think about the risk algorithms
Hmm.
and different people to think about the operations algorithms.
Hmm.
I had to go to yet different people to think about the process.
हाँ।
Finance तो किया था तो वो आ गया था,
हाँ।
right? But my co-founder, a guy called Himanshu, had worked with Accenture for 20 years on managing teams. So a lot of the people algorithms came through it. right? So we were lucky. We were lucky to have that network and that expertise available to us. But look, the value of doing that
Hmm.
in our case, as
Yeah.
against using AI algorithms.
Hmm.
मैंने आपको डेटा की बात की, चलो ठीक है, समझो सिटी बैंक ने या कोई बैंक ऑफ अमेरिका ने या मेरिल लिंच ने
Hmm.
हमको पूरा अपना डेटा दे भी दिया,
हाँ,
तो हमारा एआई तो खाली बैंकिंग ही सीख गया है ना,
सही बात है।
right? But
या।
when you actually said, look, let me go back to first principles
Hmm.
and think about these. Today, those algorithms hold as true for me in banking as manufacturing, in retail, in healthcare, or in telecom. तो आप कोई भी इंडस्ट्री का पूछ लो, मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे दूंगा, right? So there is value to that beat of loop, thought, solution, go back to market. There is value to that.
How much of it have you applied to your own venture, and what are the
This
results
is
you
my
seen?
venture. This is my venture. This is, the example I gave you about data versus algorithms is my own venture. 1 year ago, I went through another huge learning. मॉडल बन गया था, आंसर्स बहुत बढ़िया थे, राइट? सिस्टम आपको कह रहा था कि भाई देखो, आपका ये कंट्रोल का प्रॉब्लम है, इसको कंट्रोल के थ्रू नहीं सॉल्व करके पीपल के थ्रू सॉल्व करते हैं, लोगों को
अच्छा।
ट्रेन करो,
हाँ।
राइट?
हम्म।
आंसर्स बहुत बढ़िया दे थे, बट हम देख रहे थे कि कोई इंप्लीमेंट नहीं कर रहा था आंसर्स को।
वेरी ट्रू।
तो हम सोचने लगे, यार ये इम्प्लीमेंटेशन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? एंड देन वी फिगर्ड, पीपल वर सेइंग, यार बॉस, नॉट इन्वेंटेड हियर, वी डोंट बिलीव द मशीन।
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। एक फ्रिक्शन को भी तो ओवरकम करना होता है।
करेक्ट।
हाँ,
So that's when we actually started introducing Gen AI
हाँ।
into our own product
हुँ।
to explain what the algorithms were doing, to explain the diagnosis, and to put in human in the loop, saying, भाई साहब, इसलिए मैं सजेस्ट कर रहा हूं, आप अग्री करते हो या नहीं करते हो? अगर आप अग्री नहीं करते हो, बता दो अग्री क्यों नहीं करते हो, मैं
बहुत
आपको
सही।
एक दूसरा सजेशन दे देता हूं,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
right?
हाँ।
So again, that was something that was very important for us to learn, right? It's not just the idea in our head, it's not just the ability to build the idea. Getting your customers' feedback is crucial to this part of the productization journey.
That's very true. And so is there any particular area where you found कि सबसे ज़्यादा friction इसमें आया है that you did not anticipate?
No, one big friction was data. I told you how we got across that, right? The other big friction was we don't understand how your model is working, right? So that's when we brought in Gen AI. Look, in between, we tried training people. बट वो जब मैंने प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन किया था ना, मेरे को एक बंदे ने किताब पकड़ा दी थी कि भैया ये प्रिंसिपल होता है प्रोडक्ट बनाने का, एंड द टाइटल ऑफ दैट बुक वाज डोंट मेक मी थिंक। He said every customer of yours believes in this title.
Hmm.
So we
ये-
tried training, we tried coaching, we tried mentoring, but
हाँ।
the title of that book was very true. So he said, look, the best way to do this
हाँ,
is to bring in Gen AI. So in a dialogue, right, you
हाँ।
can explain what your issue is, what your possible solutions are,
वेरी ट्रू।
right?
इससे मुझे वही एक लाइन याद आ रही है, एक मैंने कहीं पढ़ी थी कि आई थिंक दिस कॉमेडियन वाज सेइंग कि ईदर अ कॉमेडियन और अ फिलोसोफर, तो दैट पर्सन वाज सेइंग कि इफ यू मेक पीपल फील लाइक दे आर थिंकिंग दे विल लव यू, बट इफ यू एक्चुअली मेक देम थिंक दे विल हेट यू।
Wonderfully said. I wish I'd met this comedian before.
या इट्स लाइक, तो आपके बोलने से मुझे वही याद आ रहा है बिकॉज ये एक्चुअली इवन इफ यू आर गिविंग इनसाइट्स विद योर एक्सपीरियंस, और आप एक लार्ज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को या किसी को भी जस्ट द फैक्ट दैट यू आर गिविंग देम समथिंग दैट इज ट्रू, दैट दे इफ दे डू इट, वो उसको फॉलो थ्रू करे तो उनको वही रिजल्ट दिखेगा जो चाह रहे हैं, वो नहीं करते।
नहीं करते हैं।
नहीं करते। मतलब इसका परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल ये, हम सबको पता है कि वेट लॉस करने के लिए कैलोरिक डेफिसिट रखना है और एक्सरसाइज करना है, कितने लोग करते हैं, राइट?
बिल्कुल।
और हम लोग तब भी चेज कर रहे होते कि अच्छा मैं सुबह बस मैं आंवले का जूस पी लूंगा जीरा डाल के तो बस फैट कट जाएगा और उसके बाद मैं कचौड़ी खाऊंगा, राइट?
बिल्कुल।
तो सर दैट इज अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट एंड इन in your discussions about the product and how you built it and the friction you met along the way, I want to dive deeper into the product now. आपको ये जो प्रोडक्ट का आइडिएशन था, तो what was the thing that sparked this ideation from कि अच्छा अब टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी मैच्योर हो चुकी है कि अ प्रोडक्ट लाइक दिस कैन वर्क एंड कि इसको मैं नॉट ओनली कैन दिस वर्क कि आई कैन सेल दिस प्रोडक्ट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक अ स्केप्टिकल ऑडियंस. ऑब्वियसली आपके पास एक बैकग्राउंड बन चुका था, यू हैड क्रेडेंशियल्स इन द इंडस्ट्री, राइट? मैं ये उस सेंस से पूछना चाह रहा हूँ बिकॉज एज अ पर्सन हु इज ट्राइंग टू who's building his own reputation from the ground up, I don't have any sort of industry credentials yet. तो अगर मैं एक organization को from scratch से वो build करना चाह रहा हूँ, how should I think about a problem such as yours?
No, great question. So, see, the initial seed of that product happened, as I mentioned, right, 4 5 years ago, when we said, how do I take simple metadata, right, something a human being can answer on PROFIT and create cost, customer, and control, right? Call that a digital twin, a very simple, lightweight digital twin.
Yeah.
That was the seed of the idea,
अच्छा.
right?
Hmm.
That's when we went out, took it to market and had conversations with people and said, यार जो आप थोड़ा बहुत डेटा मांग रहे हो वो भी नहीं है हमारे पास, right?
हाँ.
So then we build methodologies, we build libraries,
Hmm.
right? We built NL, उस टाइम तो NLP बुलाते थे,
बिल्कुल.
right?
हाँ.
We built different algorithms to say अच्छा ये प्रोसेस का पार्ट है, ये प्रोसेस का पार्ट नहीं है, तो बीच का ये होना चाहिए, देख लो
Hmm.
सही है कि नहीं है, right? So
Hmm.
we
Hmm.
built that out for them, right? So we took care of, in a sense, that data part of life,
Hmm.
right? Then we started taking that, and again, because of the network, because of the people we knew, because of the trust we had,
Hmm.
we found people were buying the product very quickly कि हाँ
Hmm.
भैया ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा है,
हाँ. Hmm.
right? It's a real problem we are facing, we would like to try it,
Hmm.
but they were not using it as much as we thought they would,
Hmm. Yes.
right?
Yes.
That's when we realized, oh look, the issue is not in them buying it. हमारा काम खत्म नहीं हो गया जब हमने बेच दिया है, हमारा काम शुरू हो गया जब हमने बेच दिया है,
That's a very good thought.
right?
हाँ.
So then how do I actually drive adoption?
Hmm.
And the adoption was twofold, I mentioned that to you, right? First, skepticism. How can a machine be able to think like this? I've been doing this for 20 years, ये कौन से खेत की मूली है,
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल. Hmm.
right?
हाँ.
So then there was a whole bunch of explaining, a whole bunch of, communication, as I said, bringing in the Gen AI to explain the thinking, not to run the algorithms, but to explain the thinking, right? Then
Hmm.
the other part of resistance. So this is an ongoing dialogue, Ashutosh.
Yes.
Look, I was told this in the beginning of my entrepreneurship career, right? Which is you're setting out to build a product company.
Hmm.
That doesn't mean that once you build the product, your company is done with. That product needs to keep evolving
Yes.
to meet what customers ask for.
Hmm.
So it's been a journey for us.
And sometimes the product evolves in ways that you had no idea about कि जब आपने start करा था, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It's like a piece of clay that आपने एक certain shape का कर दिया and then you hand it to the person and then the way they hold it, the way उसको जिस तरीके से interact बार बार करते हैं, उसमें ऐसे grooves बन जाते हैं जो आपको लगता है कि अरे ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था.
Bilkul.
Uh,
Bilkul.
एक
It's like that old Excel, this thing, right?
yeah.
You've heard that thing, right?
What?
Most users
हाँ.
use 12%
Hmm.
of Excel's capabilities.
Exactly.
The problem is that 12% differs from user to user. So between 100 users, you're probably using 60% of Excel's capabilities. Right?
Exactly. And yeah, Malik, coming from like sort of a tech background, that is always the pitfall of every technological or tech founder is कि अच्छा नहीं चल रहा, मैं एक और फीचर ऐड कर देता हूँ, बस ये फीचर को देख के ही बस सब लोग आ जाएंगे. एंड दैट इज नॉट द केस. मे बी एज यू सेड कि पब्लिक आपके टेक को ही अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर रहा है, या मे बी दे आर नॉट ट्रस्टिंग इट, मे बी द रीजन इज समथिंग, मे बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज योर प्रॉब्लम, राइट? बट just simply adding features. And to your point about Excel, I saw a really nice, मतलब 1 घंटे का पूरा उसका लेक्चर था ऑफ अ पर्सन की बीच में एक्सेल की बहुत दुर्गति हो गई थी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस की, लाइक इट वाज नॉट वर्किंग वेल, पीपल डिड नॉट लाइक इट। तो फिर दे रिडिजाइंड इट फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड अप, एंड उनका ये था कि कोई भी कोर फीचर 2 से 3 क्लिक से ज्यादा दूर नहीं होना चाहिए यूजर के,
करेक्ट।
बिकॉज दे लिटरली सॉ दैट कि कन्वर्जन रेट्स में, कि अगर तुम्हारा फीचर जितना भी बढ़िया हो, अगर वो 4 क्लिक्स दूर है कंपेयर टू अगर वो 3 क्लिक्स दूर है, तुम्हारा 40% क्राउड वहीं पे चला गया,
ट्रू।
राइट? एंड तो अब इसमें लेके आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस अबाउट द डिजिटल ट्विन पार्ट, एंड आई रियली वॉन्ट यू टू सॉर्ट ऑफ, आपको ये जो आइडिएशन था, एंड हाउ इज इट वर्किंग बेस्ड ऑन योर इनिशियल एक्सपेक्टेशंस? क्या वो कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट है अभी उसका जो रूप है, जो डिजिटल ट्विन वाला आपके प्रोडक्ट में है?
तो यार अर्थशास्त्र की मैंने ब्रीफली बात की थी, राइट? दैट वाज द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी वी सेट अप, एंड फ्रॉम 2008 to 2014 we actually did pure play consulting.
Yes, so it was like a legacy consulting company, right?
Absolutely, right? Very senior, and the term that they used to use was guru consulting. Senior log थे, right? जाते थे, बात करते थे, फिगर आउट करते थे, ज्ञान देते थे, right? But in our head was always the idea that this is not scalable, and therefore we must use this time frame to build serious IP, to translate this almost as a legacy
हाँ,
of how to think about operations, but we are sure that we must be able to have technology do this, not human beings, right? So वो thought था.
हाँ,
So there was a lot of ideation that happened at that point of time, right? The whole notion of, okay, how should I think about who I should hire? Not BComs or BAs or BSc or PhD, but who should I hire given this process? So there's a lot of ideation around that, right? There's a lot of ideation around, okay, how should I apply risks and controls, right? Not generally risks and controls, but given this process and given the performance of this process, right? So there was a lot of ideation around that, which helped then to fructify the product and create that original seed in it. So that actually started in 2016. And believe it or not, Ashutosh, it took almost 2 years to code it. I'm not a technology person, I'm not a coder, I'm a BCom MBA, right? And that 2 years it took to code it, 3 months was spent in AppTech learning coding. Okay. But then, of course, I got a wonderful team in, right, which made it irrelevant for me to actually write the code.
That's great.
Right? But it actually took 2 years because it was not an easy problem we were trying to solve. But that did not mean it was not solvable.
At that point of time, when you started this, in the initial 2 years, was there a competitor in the larger market global space that you had some sort of कि अच्छा ये ऐसे कर रहे हैं तो मुझे ये पता है, या you wanted it to be completely different from what exists out there?
Mix. In that, look, I had worked with the largest companies. So I knew the different products they were using. I knew the different consultants they were using. Right? And I said, despite those products and despite those consultants, this problem still exists, right? So what I create cannot be a copy of that. It has to be different.
So you leveraged your domain expertise and your experience to particularly very clearly go to like the almost like ये first order principle, first principles thinking में जाके कि अच्छा अगर ये problem अभी ये करंट सोल्यूशंस ये टूल्स हैं अभी बाहर, वो ये टूल्स ये कर रहे हैं और जो बेस्ट कंसल्टेंट्स है वो ये कर रहे हैं, तब भी ये प्रॉब्लम परसिस्ट कर रही है, तो मैं मेरे प्रोडक्ट को इन ऑर्डर फॉर इट टू एक्चुअली सॉल्व इट क्या शेप लेनी चाहिए। सो आपको वहां से वो इनसाइट मिली।
फिर हमने वही गलती की कि अच्छा अभी ये डिस्टिंग्विशन करने से यार ये 2 फीचर ऐड कर दो, राइट? देन वी सेड रुको अभी 36 और फीचर ऐड कर सकते हैं, बट लेट अस ईट आवर ओन डॉग फूड, Let us think through. If I think about the feature as IT or a process, let me think about, does this feature match with what I want the tool to do, match with how the users will use it, right? Match with the talent that is needed to run the product, and match with my budget to create the feature,
Hmm.
right? So I won't run after the feature without thinking about my own methodology, which is PROFIT.
Hmm. Hmm. बिल्कुल.
Yeah, I mean, longish answer to the question, but uh, I guess what I'm saying to you, Ashutosh, is it's not just been textbook or experiential or whatever, right? This whole framework is something that I've lived, I've struggled with, I've fought, and I've learned from it.
Hmm.
My hope now is, look, if India is the back office of the world, right, as people say, if we can create a product to help this back office, then this becomes a truly powerful product offering from this country.
बिकॉज ये बहुत ही यूनिक स्पेस में है ऑफ अ वेरी ट्रेडिशनली सर्विस ओरिएंटेड थिंग का एक प्रोडक्ट है राइट सो हाउ डू यू सी इट पैनिंग आउट और हाउ डू यू वॉन्ट टू सी इट पैनिंग आउट बिकॉज अभी भी ना भाई इट्स लाइक जेनेआई स्पेस में मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ कि इट्स लाइक बिल्डिंग अ कैसल ऑन शिफ्टिंग सैंड्स आपको पता नहीं है वो स्पेस इतना फास्ट मूव कर रहा है एंड बेसिकली द एडवांटेज दैट यू हैव इज कि यू आर बिल्डिंग ऑन एज ओल्ड प्रॉब्लम्स with age old with an infrastructure and technology that is gen ai is just like almost like the front facing part of the technology जो उसका मीट एंड पटेटोज है जो उसका बीच वाला असली माल है वो एक अलग प्रोसेस से गया है जो कि इतने शेकी फाउंडेशंस पे नहीं है
Yeah.
तो विद दैट इन माइंड आपको क्या लगता है एंड वे डू यू सी इट आइडियली गोइंग और आपको अभी फ्यूचर में आपको सबसे बड़ा रिस्क पॉइंट क्या लगता है या व्हाट आर यू थिंक व्हाट इज समथिंग दैट कीप्स यू अप एट नाइट कि यार दिस कुड बी समथिंग दैट आई वुड नीड टू वॉच आउट लेट्स से इफ नॉट राइट नाउ देन 5 साल बाद
Strangely enough, it's not will competitors build this. That's not my concern,
ओके
right? My concern that keeps me up in the middle of the night, okay, is will people actually take this opportunity before they face the crisis? You heard of Y2K,
या या
right?
या
That was people not taking opportunity before they actually hit the crisis, right? When we were lucky, there was no crisis,
या
right? Or if you think about the 2008 financial crash or the 2016, that was actually people ignoring what was invisible
हाँ
until the pain actually happened. My biggest fear for the product, for the market, for the this thing is that people will say, यार चल रहा है ना, खींच लो और अब 20 साल से 74% ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फेल हो रहे हैं, 20 और साल हो गया तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, right? That is what keeps me awake at night, right?
दैट्स अ
Will
ग्रेट
we,
आंसर टू दिस
always be in this? I've done the best I can. What can I do if it's not good enough? मेरी गलती नहीं है.
हाँ because you know you can only open the door the organizations have to walk through it themselves right
Correct.
and if they have the guts or like the appetite to do that maybe they just want like for example we built like this platform for this university कि उनके बच्चे AI powered platform से सीखेंगे यूनिवर्सिटी डिड नॉट केयर कि उनके बच्चे सीखे या नहीं सीखे द ओनली मेट्रिक दे वर ऑप्टिमाइजिंग फॉर कि अच्छा देखो हम अब ये डालेंगे कि AI पावर्ड वो है हमारा इनोवेशन रैंकिंग में 1 नंबर बढ़ जाएगा 1 नंबर बढ़ने से हमारे लेट्स से 5,000 स्टूडेंट्स या 2,000 स्टूडेंट्स एक्स्ट्रा साइन अप करते हैं उसमें से हम इतना डेल्टा ऑफ मनी कमा लेंगे तो द बिकॉज हमने प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया हमने वो लाइव हुआ एंड आई वाज लाइक यार कोई यूज ही नहीं कर रहा है हमने इतना बैठ के बनाया कोई भी यूज नहीं कर रहा है तो मतलब फायदा क्या हुआ एंड आई वाज लाइक नो सुपर हैप्पी कि देखो नए स्टूडेंट्स यूज करेंगे हमें इनोवेशन इंडेक्स में हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी की रैंकिंग 1 नंबर ऊपर हो गई तो वही है कि यू बट आई फील ना कि FOMO will drive some of that.
It is happening. It is not happening as fast enough as we want to.
Very
But
well.
that's every entrepreneur's problem, na?
Hmm.
If life moved as fast as our expectations did, then what is the fun in being an entrepreneur? Right? मैंने
बिल्कुल.
projection में डाल दिया, number meet हो गया, right? So it's happening, right? And you know, for me, the best analogy works is that same analogy we used, Ashutosh,
Hmm.
right? कि भैया जिम तो आपको ही जाना है ना, मैं आपके ट्रेन कर लूंगा, आपके साथ खड़ा हो जाऊंगा, आपको इनकरेज करूंगा, बट स्क्वाट तो भैया आपको ही करना है ना, आपके पैर हैं,
सही बात है.
right?
मैं डाइट चार्ट ही बना सकता हूँ, पाव भाजी से दूर आप ही को रहना
आप ही को रहना है.
है.
And to be fair, look, I think this is a journey, but that's not to say that our customers are not adapting. They are. They are understanding that, look, this is a competitive advantage, right? We will have to take steps to meet the competitive advantage, right? Some of them got distracted by Gen AI, but they are coming back to the picture, right? Uh, and it's a journey. I have no doubt in my mind that we will succeed, right? People ask me, "Ke bhaiya, you've been at this for 8 years." I said, "यार, मैं पाव भाजी की दुकान तो बना नहीं रहा था, right? I
सही
was
बात है.
setting out to solve a problem, right?"
हाँ, हाँ.
So it's true, it's been at it for 8 years, but there has been progress. There has been visible progress in the technology, in the customers, in the methodology, in the people who appreciate it.
हम्म.
So I have no doubt in my mind that this will succeed.
तो मतलब एक किसी भी मतलब एटलीस्ट व्हाट आई एक्सपीरियंस इन माय वेरी लिमिटेड एक्सपीरियंसेस कि एंटरप्रेन्योरियल वेंचर कोई भी होता है वो एक जे शेप्ड कर्व होता है. आपको पहले बहुत टाइम, वैसे हम सोचते हैं कि लीनियर रहेगा, वैसे नहीं रहता है. आप पहले बहुत टाइम तक इनपुट देते रहते हो और आपको कुछ, अब नथिंग टू शो फॉर इट, मतलब वो इंटरनली बन रहा है अभी, राइट. बट देन जस्ट लाइक अ बैम्बू प्लांट, व्हेन ऑल द थिंग्स आर करेक्ट, व्हेन इट क्लिक्स, तो पुप ऐसे शूट अप करता है और फिर सबको लगता है अरे ये तो होना ही था, ये तो इनएविटेबल था.
Right?
उनको ये समझ में नहीं आता है कि उस टाइम तक जब आप रात को जगो कि अरे यार ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा है, मैंने इतने पैसे खर्च कर दिए, मैंने इतना अपना टाइम और एनर्जी वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट इज दिस, इज इट अ वेस्ट, शुड आई कीप गोइंग. एंड हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कि अभी तक नहीं आ रहा है तो अब पिवट करूं या नहीं करूं, शुड आई कीप गोइंग, लाइक दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई फील एवरी ग्रेट वो हैज स्ट्रगल्ड विद. एंड पर्सनली आपका इस चीज में क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है?
Two things. Yeah, remember, if as the entrepreneur you give up too early, there is no chance for your business to succeed. It's not that your, finance manager will come and take on the business on your behalf, right? So it's a decision you have to make carefully. If you didn't get into your business for FOMO, don't leave because you're scared. There are many who've gotten to it for FOMO, right? वो हमारी CV पे चाहिए कि हम founder हैं. That's a different motivation, right? But if you haven't got into it for FOMO, then balance your fear. I think the second part is because you shouldn't also uh, put so much into the bet that you're obdurate कि नहीं भैया मैं करूंगा when you're not getting anywhere, right? I think over there you really need to be able to see what is the problem. Is it one huge intractable problem, or can I break this up into smaller solvable problems? Then work on the problems. Now, it may take you 3 months, it may take you 8 months. But if you know you can solve the problems and you're seeing visible feedback along the way, that's very important. यार प्रोडक्ट एंड ऑफ द डे यार स्कंक वर्क में नहीं बनता है. प्रोडक्ट कस्टमर के यूसेज से बनता है. दैट फीडबैक इज क्रूशियल.
दैट्स एक्चुअली रियली गुड. मैं सर, I've been a musician since I was 13, and
वंडरफुल.
I really like comedy. And so one thing that I really found very fascinating is that कि जैसे जब मैं म्यूजिशियन हूँ तो मैं म्यूजिक बनाता था, तो मैं अपने कमरे में लैपटॉप पे बैठा हूँ, मैंने पूरा गाना बना दिया, राइट. फिर लोग सुने सुने नहीं सुने नहीं सुने. बट इफ आई वर टू कम अप विद लाइक एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन का सेट, एंड वो मुझे बहुत ही कॉरिलरी लगता है एक किसी प्रोडक्ट बनाने से. अगर मैं स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन हूँ, मैं खड़े होके स्टेज पे जब तक जोक नहीं मारता, जब तक या तो आप हँसते हो या आप ग्रोन करोगे या आप कहोगे क्या बकवास कर रहे हो, वो फीडबैक के बिना वो बन ही नहीं सकता। लाइक एक कॉमेडी का सेट या एक कॉमेडियन नीड्स एन ऑडियंस, राइट? इट इज नॉट अ सॉलिटरी आर्ट फॉर्म। एंड सो दैट इज सिमिलर टू बिल्डिंग अ प्रोडक्ट कि यू नीड अ पर्सन टू एक्चुअली यूज इट, एंड देन दे यूज इट इन वेज दैट यू हैड नो आइडिया ऑफ कि अच्छा ये ऐसे कर रहे हैं मेरे प्रोडक्ट को यूज।
Yeah.
एंड
And there's another analogy with the comedian, right? Yes, being a brilliant comedian helps, but you're also probably familiar with it, right? Writing good comedy is also a process. You don't just sit down and say joke aa gaya, right? There's a thinking process for your material to come about. It's the same with entrepreneurship. It's not flashes of brilliance or flashes of hard work. It's a process to make the company succeed.
बट दैट इज द पार्ट, वही तो ज़्यादा ग्लोरीफाई होता है मीडिया में, पॉप कल्चर में, जो आधे लोग जिनको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए नहीं, बट जैसे आप बोल रहे हो फाउंडर टैग बनाने के लिए फाउंडर बन रहे हैं, तो वो देख रहे हो कि मैं बोलूँगा कि अच्छा मुझे एकदम ब्रिलियंट एक आइडिया आएगा जो किसी और के पास नहीं है, जो कुछ भी नहीं है, राइट? बट अगेन टू योर पॉइंट, मैं वही बात देखा है कि ऑफ ऑल द आर्टिस्ट दैट आई सीन, ऑफ एवरीबडी, लाइक ऑल द बिगेस्ट बिल्डर्स आई हैव सीन, प्रोसेस इज द क्रूशल पार्ट। इट्स लाइक स्टीफन किंग, वो कहता था कि भाई मैं सुबह 8 बजे से या सुबह 10 बजे से दोपहर के 4 बजे तक, ऐसे मेरा 6 घंटे का मेरा राइटिंग टाइम है, तो मैं उसमें उठता ही नहीं हूँ अपनी टेबल से। अगर कुछ नहीं आ रहा तो मैं बैठा रहूंगा पेपर को देखते हुए। तो द process, the boring grunt work of the process is like crucial for any big thing to actually get done.
Yes, I think we were lucky, at least I was lucky to work in the period where it was made very clear to me, okay, boss, if you enjoy 10% of your job, that's great. The rest of the 90% is grunt work. Okay. I was not put in front of a terminal and said trade on day one. Right on day one, I was told he's the senior trader. लिख क्या कौन से trade किए है उसने, right? So
बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ, तो या तो विद दैट इन माइंड आई जस्ट वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम योर पर्सपेक्टिव कि व्हाट इज, इतना आपको ऑप्स का एक्सपीरियंस है, आपको क्या लगता है कि व्हाट इज समथिंग जो स्टार्टअप्स को बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से लेना चाहिए, और वाइस वर्सा क्या है कि जो बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से स्टार्टअप से लेना चाहिए?
okay, let me talk about the startups first, right? Look, uh, I'm running a startup. I came from large organizations, right? And I would even say that some of the organizations were bureaucratic to a certain extent, right? But you can learn, right? Always hold yourselves up to high standards. This is what I will say to startups, right? I mentioned that note of process, right? I'm saying don't try and run faster blindly. Understand that your success also depends upon, sorry to say it, your process, how you're managing your risks, your operations, your people, your technology, your finance, your budgets. See, look at it. I'm not making a pitch over here कि आप 3 cube खरीदो. I'm saying fundamentally एक sheet बनाओ, right? सोचो मेरी ये problem है, कहाँ पे problem हो सकती है, right? It's not trying to run faster in blindness. Try and get visibility on the issue. Try and see the root causes, the flow, because that will help you make better decisions, right?
That's super insightful.
Talk to a lot of people, but until you understand the flow, and nobody will understand the flow and the reasons and these different facets of your organization better than you will. So, unlike Stephen King, I don't sit at a table to write books, right, from the morning 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock, but at 4:30 in the morning to 5:30 in the morning, I think about what the issues have been last week, and I pass them through this lens of process, risk, operations, finance, IT, and teams, and say, यार इसका आंसर यहाँ कहाँ से मिलेगा, और मैं कौन से कस्टमर से इसको वैलिडेट करवा सकता हूँ.
That's तो दैट शुड गिव यू एन इनसाइट कि वेयर आई नीड टू गो, और कहाँ कहाँ कोर्स करेक्शन करना है बेसिकली।
And Ashutosh, you need to do this not only when you have problems, but even when you have huge success. We have seen enough unicorns who've run the, got on the tiger, and seen issues because they forgot this very, very core discipline. You can't scale at the cost of risk, no?
आज के ज़माने में जब वेंचर फंडिंग तो ऐसे एआई वालों को पानी की तरह मिल रही है, मुझे ना एक कोरोलरी बहुत बढ़िया बड़ा दिखता है सर। इन जब 1999 में जो डॉट कॉम का बबल बना था, तो इट डज नॉट मीन कि इंटरनेट वाज नॉट यूजफुल। अभी बेसिकली एवरीथिंग इज ऑन द इंटरनेट, बट द थिंग वाज कि उस टाइम पे कि बहुत सारे पेट की वेबसाइट्स को कि हम पेट्स के प्रोडक्ट्स बेचेंगे, उनको $10 million मिल रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज देर एन इंटरनेट आईटी बिजनेस और वेब बिजनेस। मुझे अभी यो एआई के लिए लेके लग रहा है कि देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ hollow hollow hoopla in the market, and but that does not mean that the core tech driving it is not transformational for society at large. मुझे लगता है कि 4-5 साल बाद जो वेंचर कैपिटल का थोड़ा ज़्यादा पैसा, जो लिक्विडिटी थी, थोड़ी कम होगी, बट वो डेस्ट सेटल करके एक्चुअल एरियाज जहाँ पे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रही है, मतलब यू हैव सिस्टम जो कि ट्रांसलेशन, जो कि सबसे बड़ा पार्ट था कि ट्रांसलेशन अलग लैंग्वेजेस में करना। आई हैड अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद द सीईओ ऑफ भाषनी कपल मंथ्स बैक, एंड इट वाज फैसिनेटिंग कि अलग अलग लैंग्वेज के मॉडल्स बन रहे हैं, हम उनको अलग अलग के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं। बट वही कि द डस्ट इज गोना सेटल, बट द टेक इज स्टिल गोना बी रेवोल्यूशनरी टू सोसाइटी, राइट?
I agree.
And Ab, towards this, since this is the sort of fag end of our conversation, I usually do this with the rapid fire round. And so I just want to ask you this question: Ki, what do you see as the biggest myth in AI right now?
Two myths. AI will do everything, right? One big myth.
Huh.
Two, AI means better presentations. The answer is in between.
Yes, that's very true. Actually, it's not really that good at making presentation. It can convince you. Sometimes it hallucinate भी कर लेता है वो तो पूरा पूरा.
No, my point is, you know, AI will not wind up doing everything. The human will not disappear.
If you could describe your outlook towards the future, like the next 10 years, in a single sentence, what would you say?
I will say what the Chinese say. We are blessed that we are living in interesting times. I grew up in a time when fax was a miracle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So today we are talking about AI. We have no idea how lucky we are.
That's very true. Do you have a personal motto or mantra that you live by?
Uh, try your hardest. It's all you can do. And no regrets.
That's beautiful. One book or novel or series that really influence your thinking.
Sorry, thoda sentimental ho raha hoon.
Hmm.
My dad in his entrepreneurial journey. It was not on television. It was not fiction.
Hmm.
It
That's
was something I saw, and I was. It has stayed with me.
beautiful. That's beautiful. If you could create a digital twin of yourself, what are the activities you would want it to do so that you don't have to do them anymore?
Uh, go to the gym. Eat the tinda and the pumpkin that I get served from time to time. No, I have a good life. I have a good life. But good question.
And so my last question to you would be ki, if you want your children, or like all of us who are watching you right now, to just remember these next 10 seconds from this piece, or from your life, right? What is one message you want to leave to everyone?
Don't wait for perfection to come to you. Start with what you have. Start with what you know. Grow what you know. That will increase what you have. that will take you towards perfection.
Lovely. Like on that beautiful note, I just want to just thank you again. This was a beautiful conversation. Uh, I just didn't know कि time कहाँ चला गया. बहुत ज़्यादा. It was just. I want to thank you again for your insights and just for being so fun to talk to. To be very honest.
So are you, Ashutosh. The comedian in you made this conversation a joy to be in. Genuinely.
Yeah. So thank you, sir. And on that note, I'll be signing off. Let me just stop the recording.